More than 1,000 people were killed and hundreds more wounded after an earthquake hit Afghanistan. The earthquake, which has a magnitude of 5.8, is the deadliest to strike the country in 2 decades. According to the United States Geological Survey, the earthquake hit at 1:24 a.m., about 46 kilometers southwest of the city of Khost. The quake registered a depth of approximately 10 kilometers. This has posed a major challenge for the Taliban, which took over power last year after the Western-backed government collapsed. It has found the country in the midst of a humanitarian and economic crisis, and a senior Taliban official, Abdul Balki, now says that the government is financially unstable to assist the people to the extent that is needed.
کم فیصله وسوله چې هر شهید کورنۍ ته د فعلا دپاره د عاجل کومک 1,00,000 افغانۍ د شهید کورنۍ ته او ټپي ته 50,000 افغانۍ نقد کومک هم په لاس ورکول سو. د پرون څخه د تېرې شپې څه چې کومه په خوست ولایت او پکتیکا ولایت کې کومه غمیزه رامنځته سوې ده چې د زلزلې له وجې څخه هیوادوال شهیدان سوي او زخمیان سوي دي. د ریاست الوزرا او د اسلامي امارت د ټولو مسؤلینو لخوا څخه چې ټول په دې غم کې ځان شریک بولي او شهیدانو ته ټول هیوادوال چې کوم شهیدان سوي دي هغو ته جنت الفردوس.
Afghanistan is prone to quakes as it is located in a tectonically active region over a number of fault lines. According to the UN's Office for the Coordination of Humanitarian Affairs, more than 7,000 people have been killed by earthquakes in the country. Communication following the quake has proven to be difficult. This is because it has caused a damage to mobile phones. Most people are now not aware of the well-being of their loved ones because the mobile phones are not working.
حتی دا چې زما په خپل لاس باندې ډیر مړي او زخمیان هم راجع کړي دي او تر روغتونه پورې خو نو امکانات او داسې یو مازدم بیا پیدا کړله ورته او هلته مو ولېږل روغتون ته خو لا ډیر.
The United Nations is among those providing emergency shelter, food aid to the remote areas. The Taliban authorities have now called for more international aid. Reporting for MMU TV, my name is Terry Njoini.